Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing Songmaker so you can arrange notes and beats quickly. Set tempo and scale now. This locks the musical palette so your melody fits. Choose a key to avoid accidental dissonance and pick instruments, drums for rhythm, synth for texture, because timbre defines mood. Once done, lay down a basic beat and add a short motif. This immediate loop gives you something to iterate on and hear how your choices interact in real time. Next, focus on structure. Create an intro, verse, and chorus by copying and varying patterns. Use the loop length to switch between sections and paste motifs with small rhythmic or pitch changes to build progression. Tweak note velocity and length to make parts pop or sit back in the mix. Softer velocity creates space, while longer notes add sustain. Make sure to test different instrument balances so melody doesn't get buried, and use subtle repetition to create a memorable hook. To finish, listen through the whole piece and make small automation-like edits. Mute, unmute, or change instrument settings for transitions. When everything sits right, export as WAV or copy the share link to preserve settings. If you plan more mixing, record the audio externally for multi-track work. If playback stutters or sounds glitchy, make sure your browser tabs are closed, lower the tempo, or reduce simultaneous notes. These steps fix CPU strain and preserve timing accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.